cotton was king in Alabama. But now the chicken business rules the roost. How did that come to be?
They say the commercial poultry business that booms today started when a woman in Delaware decided to buy a few hundred chicks, raise them, and sell them for meat. The truth is a little weirder than that. This is the story of a chicken with the blues that made a deal with that woman. Or was she the devil?
That sent billions of his feathered family and friends to slaughter. I mean, supper. It's a true story. I'm pretty sure. The legend of Rooster Ray Rugburn, king of the chicken blues.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Stop your icy glare. You can pluck my eyes so I can't see, but don't cut my chicken fingers till you hear my plea. Spare my life to my stream. I sell the souls of my offspring. A billion McNuggets is a big payday. Sell my bosom breast to Chick-fil-A. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hear my pleas. You can even sell my feet to the Chinese. I made a deal, the egg got laid, chickens got bought, and the devil got paid. Billions of chicken strips from my offspring, but it's all worth it when I play this thing. Don't you know you're frying with the king? Yeah, frying with the king. Rooster Ray